First tweaks are 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak is called analog, and the analog clock on the lock screen. So yeah, looks pretty cool. Android 13 supports iOS 12 and 13. So yeah, this is a tweak for notch devices. So please check your device has a notch before the purchase. So pretty much the iPhone X and above are the notch devices. So it supports 3 different styles: default, dark, iOS 12 only, and black. So they're also all troubleshooting options as well. It's called Checkra1n, a library for Jinsu's tweets. Called Epsilon Light, supercharge the status bar. We also have Epsilon Beta, and this is the beta version of Epsilon, which can early access the great WIP features. If you can install at Orion Pressure's repo. Epsilon's a Zeppelin and alkaline alternative to iPad iOS 12 and iPhone X style status bar. This is called alkaline. Gives your battery spice. I have Zeppelin. Flex List is a wrapper tool for Flex Tool. Supports iOS 9 and 14. So it's a debugging tool. This is called Notch Banners, and gives a notch on purpose. Transforms the appearance of notification banners, making them drop down below the notch. Copic 2, and new Copic 2 is totally redesigned, optimized, and rebuilt from scratch. So all-in-one solution to have your contact pictures everywhere on your iDevice. Pro, and pretty much is the best all-in-one caller identification solution for your iDevice. So it does need, I think, an app called Truecaller, and then when someone calls you or you call someone, it helps identify who the caller is. This is called Copy for WhatsApp, and pretty much it lets your iDevice show contact photos in the world's most popular application, WhatsApp. 2.3 for WhatsApp, and makes WhatsApp easier and simple to use, allowing you to change every part of the app to satisfy your needs. Supports iOS 9 and 14, your privacy features, protection features, status features, chat list, general, media, user interface, notifications, theme, message scheduler, auto reply, hide chats, contact spoofing, custom tones, stickers manager. Next week is called Big Sur Center. It actually was moved over to the Havoc repo or Havoc repository. So this is a fresh, new, and lightweight control center. So compatible with iOS 13 and 14, compatible with iPhone and iPads. So these features right here, you can choose your favorite modules in the top right module, arrange slider modules, bottom presentation gestures for notch devices. Then you also can customize your colors. Bio locker, and simple, lightweight, and elegant locker for your apps. It's kind of like a bioprotective alternative. Admin, and speed up your springboard animations with a simple tweak. Allows speed up app opening, folder opening, app switcher, and the rest of your springboard. Next is called Libya Arrays, should be used by iRay products. Calllog enabler. Helps users who have downloaded the Calllog iPhone app from the iTunes Store. And this is called Calllog Pro, and allows you to manage your call history and clear call record one by one. This is the more updated one. Supports iOS 8 to 14, and it's your #1 call manager for your iPhone. This is from StemGrade. It's pretty much the phishing it version 6.0 was out with a fits a lot dead tweak. Added some tweaks and added iSponsor block, added dislike pipe mode, PIP mode, picture-in-picture mode, 2 to 4K videos. So this is for like you call iSponsor block and automatically skip annoying sponsorships and YouTube videos. Put up your room. So pretty cool. Also can control your HomeKit compatible light bulbs or LED strips. Supports Safari and a theme called Horus, and a beautiful and colorful iOS theme. Lazy by Lightman, easily back up and restore your tweets. So QQ purification, clean QQ for you. This is called System Info, and it fits both breast crash while trying to reset or reset resolution on Unc0ver, fits battery view crashing, sends up on A12 devices. So this tweak is actually one of my favorites. You can do all these features right here. The big one that I like doing is you can save your SH blobs, and also I think it helps you. It also allows you to change your screen resolution. So yeah, right here, resolution. Also the temperature tells you, current resolution. Next we've got battery bar, and with iOS 7 to 12. iPhone X is not supported. That's an iOS 10 only, and it's displays a bar in the status bar that represents the current battery. and customize up to 30 settings for each app in a clean and friendly UI, easy access info. This you call Sneaky Cam, and discreetly take a photo or record a video from anywhere, even with your screen off. Actually, I had this tweak installed on my main sleeper, and some users required to reboot the device, or alternatively run an LD restore after installing Speak for the first time to run properly. It's very convenient. So this tweak gives you the more functionality around your stock iOS alarms. So the goal of this tweak is to sleep more using stock iOS alarms. You have these features right here. It's a theme for your device. It's called IAP 26. So IAP 26. It's like a local IAP store alternative. And redefine your control center. That's just called Sleep Saver. And add fully customizable screensavers to your iPhone, iPad, or iPod. The theme. So it looks like apps. And circular application launcher, iOS 13 above. So yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, guys. Oh yeah, to use it, status bar tap 2 times. But yeah, so it's like. So you guys, thanks for watching. Catch the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.